Good morning, Dave Parker here with Compton EdTech, and today I want to discuss with you one of our Engineering Week projects entitled Swab Bridge. Now, just as an overview, the project is part of Engineering Week, where we celebrate engineering and we try to make it a little bit more accessible to our students to give them ideas, and maybe one day they'll decide that they want to pursue an engineering career. But in this celebration, we want to celebrate the attributes of engineering, creativity of design, thinking things through, reiterations, creating solutions, talking about them in group sessions or whatnot, those type of things. So what we're really engaging in is the process more so than the product, but you will be evaluating the product as well, but we just really want to get them into the mindset of being able to design, to test, to redesign, and to move on. And, I couldn't mention personally Engineering Week without one of my favorite engineers, Mr. Lonnie Johnson. Uh, he's the inventor of the Super Soaker. He had to take, I think it was Hasbro or one of those companies to court to get full rights to his patents. But an amazing tool, all done with engineering. So again, student engagement and design process is what we're emphasizing this week. So the what of what we're doing this week, if you're looking at this video, you may be doing what I call the Bony Bridge or the Swab Bridge. And what you've been provided with is a quantity of swabs, craft sticks, and pipe cleaners. And with those, you're going to create a bridge. The bridge specification is to span, as a span, the length of 12 inches, 1 foot, and it should be able to support weight. Now, I've given you materials. You're going to have those materials to use, but let your students be free and creative in how they use the materials. You see this example here. It's not necessarily the best way to build it. It is a way, but your students may be creative enough to find other ways to make this happen. So again, we want to employ the design process, defining the problem. What is the problem? The problem is use these sticks and, well, basically these materials to build this bridge. And step two, we'll generate concepts. You may have your students draw out their ideas, discuss them in groups, and then develop a solution. Come up with a final solution the way they want to make it, and then construct it. Step four, and test it. Does it span the 12 inches? Will it hold a little weight? Does it work? If it works, great. Evaluate the solution. That means you can test them against the rest of the classes. If not, go back through and reevaluate, redo the process. So, construct a device. Instructions are here. Well, again, I haven't given you instructions so much as I've given you parameters. So, here's the revised Swab Bridge specification sheet. It tells you exactly what you're looking for. Again, I'm not going to tell you how to build it. I'm just going to give you ideas on what I'm telling you what I want built and what to come up with. Now, in evaluating your students' projects, you're going to evaluate according to these three criteria. Your best overall performance. Each school is going to get 3 prizes: best overall, best improvement, and best process. Now, I'm not going to determine these. You are going to determine these at your school sites. So you'll do the whole testing, retesting, all of that you're going to be responsible for. Instead of being here by 325, we're extending this because of different things to April 1st. So you get an extra week to work this out. So make sure that you get through and you make sure your students do their best work. Now, if you're one of those teachers who don't like to follow the rules, you don't need no stinking rules. You can freestyle it. You can have them build it, and You can figure out which one is the best. You can do your top one, two, or three. But when I hand out the awards, these are going to be the categories for those awards. So make sure your students fit somewhere in there. I trust that you'll have fun with this process and that your students will benefit, and hopefully one day they'll decide engineering may be for them. Again, this project will not be due on the 25th. This project will be due on April 1st. If I could write that here, April 1. Okay, so you have a whole extra week to get it. Again, if you want to contact me, DA Parker at CompanyUSD.net. I'll be more than happy to answer your questions via email, or if you have my extension, 55226. If you catch me when I'm here, I'll be more than happy to answer those for you. Thank you. Have fun. Have a great day.